Hey, how's it going? I know I told you guys I was gonna take a break, but something big came up and I had to talk about it. My friend, he told me that he saw on the news, we heard on the news. Well, I'm gonna let him tell his story. So, yeah, can you go please tell your story?
I heard on the news that Second Cup is planning on turning some of their stores into dispensaries. And I thought I heard Starbucks come up somewhere in that piece, but apparently I can't find anything online at all.
For anyone that doesn't know, Starbucks, I'm gonna just turn my camera this way. Starbucks is a second cup coffee. It's also a Canadian coffee retailer and operates more than 300 cafe stores across the country. If you look at Second Cup's financials, you see that they have, like today, they grew 30%. They went up 79 cents. Uh, if you look over the course of the year, they used to be like a $10 stock, and now they're like it, low as $1.41. Now it's $3.54. So yeah, definitely keep this on an eye on this. But since it just had a 30% rise, I'd be careful because it could drop. And if you look at that financial, it doesn't look too bad. And they are less inflated than some of these cannabis stores for sure. So like they make about $23 billion of revenue per year, right? And like they're losing money though. They're losing like 3 million, like $1.2 million that year. This quarter, oh, that was annually. They make $23 billion a year, not quarter. Sorry, guys. They make about $6 billion per quarter. Uh, before taxes, earnings before taxes. They made money. Why would they lose out for? Oh, there's a big expense right here. Yeah, I don't know exactly what's going on with the company, but it looks fairly cheap and could be a good price point to buy in. Uh, Second Cup, I know my friend mentioned Second Cup, but the stock didn't really go anywhere today. It's $59. So, uh, and there's nothing on the news regarding anything about Starbucks getting into cannabis. So, what my friend heard could have been misunderstanding. But if you look at liquor stores, right, like over a year, right, they were $12 like a few months ago when the big news down. Now they decline. I don't know why they decline, but it could be a good opportunity to buy because it'll definitely go back to $12 eventually. At least that's my gut feeling. So and then on top of that, liquor stores they pay a dividend, and Aurora is the business partner and investor. So it's hard to go wrong with liquor stores, especially since they have decline, and then the financials is pretty good too. They they have $356 million in assets and 162 million. This is not including the $103 million that Aurora invested into them. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. Yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. I guess I'll let you go with what I found out today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.